Now, before you start your Pag-ibig MP2, let me answer some of the most commonly asked questions. Okay, sino ang pwede sa Pag-ibig MP2? All active Pag-ibig members, kahit anong income mo, pwede ka. Next, former Pag-ibig member, pwede. Basta, meron ka at least 24 monthly savings prior to that retirement mo. Or basta nagbigay ka or nag-contribute ka ng 24 monthly savings. And also, formerly natural-born Filipinos who reacquired their Filipino citizenship. Now, importante natin alamin na ang Pag-ibig MP2 is a voluntary program. Meaning, guys, ikaw yung tipong kung gusto mo mag-contribute, go. Kung gusto mo magbukas, go. It's not required by law. It's not required by anyone. Kusa siya talaga. Now, ang minimum savings mo is 500 pesos. Meaning, every time na mag-contribute ka, minimum is 500 pesos. Now, kaya nga siya voluntary ang Pag-ibig MP2. Ang ibig sabihin nito, kung gusto mo magbigay, magbigay ka or mag-save ka. If ayaw mo naman, pwedeng hindi. Hindi siya required na parang weekly, monthly ka magligay. So, if ever, paminsan gusto mo mag-isip na, okay, isang bagsakan ang gusto mo sa Pag-ibig MP2 mo, pwede. Kung ikaw naman gusto mo weekly magbigay, pwede rin. Mag-contribute, pwede rin. Now, one more thing here, ang dividend rate niyan, depende po ha. Hindi po yan regularly 6%, 7% every year. If you're going to look at historical data, nasa 6 to 7% siya. Pero pwedeng tumaas pa yan, pwede rin bumaba yan. Yun lang yung one thing na kailangan natin alalahanin. And of course, these are all tax-free. Now, ang membership term nito is 5 years. Meaning, guys, when it comes to 5 years, pag nag-contribute ka, isipin mo na nakalock siya for 5 years. Ang pagbibigay ng dividendo, pwedeng annually or pwedeng compounded. Ang annually meaning every year, magbibigay siya ng dividendo. Compounded meaning yung kinita mong dividendo for that year, yun ring gagamitin niya to compute for the next few years.